Hello friends, this is Naqib from Best Spicy Recipes. I hope you're fine and healthy in these lockdown coronavirus days. Today I'm going to show you a new and a spicy Afghani recipe. We call this recipe Shoor Nakhod. Recipe is very famous in our people, and we people eat it a lot because this is a spicy and easy to make recipe. This recipe is made from boiled potatoes and boiled chickpeas, and we mix some fresh coriander chutney and tomato chutney. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Okay friends, first I'm going to make fresh coriander chutney, fresh chilies. You can add as much as you want. Some garlics. I'm going to add 6 cloves garlic and some vinegar. Okay friends, my fresh coriander chutney is ready, and now I'm going to make a tomato chutney. Okay friends, here is my tomato. I'm going to add garlic. Add garlic as much as you want. Some fresh chilies. Okay friends, my tomato chutney is also ready. Boil the potatoes for 10 minutes. The potato should not be too much soft and too much hard. Okay friends, after 10 minutes I'm going to check my potatoes. Okay friends, the potato is ready. The potato is soft. Now I'm going to boil the chickpeas. In 1 liter water I will boil the chickpeas. Wait till water boils. Okay friends, when water boils, add the chickpeas. Add salt as required. Okay friends, boil the chickpeas for 5 minutes in medium heat. Okay friends, after 5 minutes I have turned off the heat. Now I'm going to mix the ingredients in the same water. We will mix the ingredients. I'm going to show you how. Okay friends, now I'm going to mix the ingredients. First I'm going to add some chickpeas. And now I'm going to add some potatoes. It is entirely up to you how much potatoes you want to add. Okay friends, now I'm going to add some fresh coriander chutney. It is entirely same. You can add as much as you want. I have added 3 tablespoons fresh coriander chutney. Now I'm going to add tomato chutney. I have added 2 tablespoons tomato chutney. Black pepper. I'm going to add half tablespoon black pepper, also crushed red chilies, mix it. And I hope you like this recipe. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos.